Was I supposed to go in there? No, this is the intro.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to the waterfalls with a girl I met from the Netherlands actually. So I'm just gonna take you on this trip. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna wear because I'm like, oh, I don't want to wear these shorts. They're great shorts. I'm like, ah. It's okay though. I'll figure it out. Yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna take my little bucket hat as well. I think it's cute, and I'm also wearing like a orange bikini, so you know, I think colors doesn't look either today. How do you do it? Wait. I've been told in the past few days that I actually don't come across looking as a Ukrainian and like Eastern European basically, and I'm like, okay, I kind of like that, you know. Here's my film camera that I'm taking with me, and this one as well. So I just pray for me that there are no monkeys. So I just ordered a scooter, and it's gonna be here in 5 minutes. And then I'm going to the girls' place, and then the car is gonna take us. Meanwhile, I want you to check out my outfit. I think it's fine. I can do that. The most important thing is like if we go to temples, then there's gonna be a problem. But other than that, I think yeah, I can work. It is quite steep, honestly. I'm afraid. Oh, that looks so pretty! That's gorgeous in here. I'm not sure if you can hear me because the mic is on, but it is what it is. Wait. They're taking pictures?
But it's wet here.
Oh, okay.
How's the climb? Huh? How's the climb?
So slippery. I thought I'm gonna fall, but it's like the ladder is the worst part actually.
Okay.
This is Krupuk?
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. His mouth just went like. Yeah, we just had some really nice food as well. And right now it's some kind of a temple. Not really sure how it's called. I wish I could read it, but I could not. So let's just focus on what is happening. I like the boats.
Yeah.
Can you drive up? Can you be on the boat? So what is actually happening today? We rented out a car for 12 hours and it's bringing us to all the places we want to go. So we already went to one waterfall. Now we're here in this temple. I'm gonna write the name down here because I don't know. Almost fell. We might go to another waterfall, but I'm not sure because it's almost 3 p.m. which is totally fine actually. I hope that I'm speaking loud enough because it's like water just here. That's not the sound water makes, but anyways.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
These are not creepy
Almost fell asleep
whatsoever.
soon. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside all night.
Just got to a place with free cocktails, but Cece here right now.
Techno party.
She's just like, I want to move to another place, not to party, and live a really quiet life. And right now she is like, let's go to party techno. I have tickets, so we're going.
We are.
Look at the ice. Look at the ice. So I'm going to a techno party. I despise techno parties with my whole soul. I literally cannot dance to such music, and it gives me anxiety, and my friends know about that. But I was just like, oh, this is just, you know, I should have fun. I should, you know, at least explore. Maybe I'll like it this time. I think around like 7 girls all together, which is, you know, actually super nice. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm pretty sure like if I'm not gonna like it, I'm gonna leave right away, because I'm such a grandma, like especially after COVID. We're going to Walt. I think that's the name of the place. It is in Canggu if I'm not mistaken, but I need to take a scooter, but I'm not driving one because, you know, I already had 2 cocktails, which were actually really good. One was for free. Super happy about that one, and the other one was half price, which was around 50k in rupees. You're also actually given like free shots of limoncello, because it was just like, oh, if you order another round, then we can bring you free shots. And we were like, okay, you know what, like we're good actually, like we don't want another round, like we're. And then he like brought some anyways, and he had a shot with us, so that was fun. I would love some sleep right now. Like I look at my bed, it looks so nice. Like the blanket and the pillows are just like calling me. And she is ready. I think I'm having like a little bit of Britney Spears moment in here in a way. Da da da, supposed to know.